More fire.
I'ma say keep it burning.
Fire I go burn. More fire.
Chanting Jah thunder.
We burn down Babylon's throne.
More fire. Yeah, me now.
All across the nation.
Yo, I for burn it now.
Purification of the soul. Yes.
Words on a power and it broke down barrier. Cut like a knife or a two-edged sword. Broke down oppression, broke down injustice. Just like the wall of Jericho. More fire for the youth, them a turn it up. More fire the youth, them a bless it up. More fire for the youth, them a step it up. If I never the fire, then the world is come up. Keep it burning.
Fire I go burn. More fire. Oh, burn down Babylon's throne. More fire. All across the nation. Purification of the soul.
The reason why Rasta man a burn the fire, yeah. Cause the people have to see themselves and know themselves, yeah. And you have to know your roots, you have to know your culture. And we not use no basket for carry water. Cause a man and no fool fi go take no slaughter. Man a yell King Selassie, I the line of Judah. And a bonfire burn it from Bucky Master. And a bonfire burn it from Slave Driver.
Fire I go burn. We have to burn down Babylon's throne. All across the nation. Purification of the soul.
Chant it. All over the world, I see people suffering. All over the world, I see the people asking. When you gonna stop infiltrate and misleading? Yes, you know the right, but yet still you do the wrong thing. Thou shall not kill, but every day I be a killing. Thou shall not rob, but every day I be a robbing. Them to the sadness, we catch them cheating. That's why Rasta man go give them a beating.
Fire in Babylon, fire go burn. And there's no place the evil can turn.